Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the Green Johanna 330 litre hot composter, and I've got the insulating jacket. It's really easy to set up. As you can see there, you've got the same screws all the way around. You don't need to faff around with working out which goes where, and they all line up really nicely as well. The Green Johanna has the guides on there for you, so for a novice at DIY, or anyone really, you can very easily get this set up. It comes in a small box because it is put together, so it keeps the cost down as well. So this is me just taking out the different pieces, and the first bit is just lining it up in the tracks. Very easy, just slots into place, make sure it's secure, and then you just have to line up. As I said, these guides help you know exactly where to put the screws. And as you can see, I started off with a manual screwdriver, and really for ease of use, you'll see me in a second, I ran out and I got my cordless drill. This is the first section though, as you can see, nice and secure, and each section has got the guides on, so you can literally just line up these screw holes on each section, and it's completely airtight. Very easy just to put on, slide the guides to the right place, and then screw them in. So this is me dashing off, grabbing the electric cordless screwdriver. Sped the video up just so you don't have to spend too long watching me. It's the same for every section. Slide it on, line them up, screw them in. It really takes no time at all, and once you've done the first section, the other sections just go in very easily. And I believe, yep, this is the last section going on. A few screws in. It's also pretty light as well, which is very handy. If you, like me, set it up inside, you can very easily then just pick it up and take it outside. But here I'm just sliding the hatches on, and they're very good. They've actually got a screw hole in as well, just to keep that secure. Obviously you'll only need to use it every now and again, so it just helps to make this a much more robust unit by having it actually secured. So now we'll go on and just peel off the backing plastic, and it's just self-adhesive, so you can just push it on inside the lid and that will stay put. And the lid, as you can see, it's got some slots there. Just rotate it round to find the slots, and then you can just turn to lock it into place. Very easy. And then you can see the base plate here, some aeration holes, help get oxygen into the Green Johanna, and some worms as well. They like getting in there. And then the insulating jacket, which really does help insulate the hot composter to retain as much heat as possible. It's a really lovely snug fit. So start with the widest one, which you can see has the hatch kind of bumps in, and then just go add the next ones in and just slightly overlay them, but to make sure it's as insulated as possible.